Treatment for dry hair at home. Dry hair can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics, environmental factors, overstyling, and certain hair treatments. Whatever the cause may be, there are a few simple and effective home remedies that can help treat dry hair and restore its natural moisture and shine. In this video, we'll explore some of the best hair treatments for dry hair that you can do at home. Coconut oil treatment. Coconut oil is a natural emollient that is rich in essential fatty acids and vitamins that can help nourish and moisturize dry hair. To use coconut oil as a hair treatment, simply warm up a few tablespoons of coconut oil in a bowl and apply it to your hair, from the roots to the tips. Leave it on for at least an hour, or overnight for best results, and then wash your hair with a gentle shampoo and conditioner. Avocado hair mask. Avocado is another natural ingredient that is great for treating dry hair. It is rich in healthy fats and vitamins that can help repair and strengthen your hair. To make an avocado hair mask, mash up one ripe avocado and mix it with a tablespoon of olive oil or coconut oil. Apply the mixture to your hair and leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a natural moisturizer that is great for treating dry and damaged hair. It contains enzymes and vitamins that can help soothe and heal your scalp, and promote healthy hair growth. To use aloe vera as a hair treatment, simply apply fresh aloe vera gel to your scalp and hair, and leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and shampoo as usual. Apple cider vinegar. Rinse. Apple cider vinegar is a natural remedy that can help restore the pH balance of your scalp and hair, and promote healthy hair growth. To use apple cider vinegar as a hair treatment, mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water, and apply the mixture to your hair after shampooing. Leave it on for a few minutes, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Egg and honey hair mask. Eggs are rich in protein and vitamins that can help strengthen and nourish your hair, while honey is a natural humectant that can help lock in moisture. To make an egg and honey hair mask, whisk 1 or 2 eggs and mix in a tablespoon of honey. Apply the mixture to your hair and leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour, then rinse it off with lukewarm water and shampoo as usual. In conclusion, these are just a few of the many home remedies that you can use to treat dry hair. They are natural, safe, and effective, and can help restore your hair's natural moisture and shine. By incorporating these treatments into your regular hair care routine, you can keep your hair healthy, strong, and beautiful.